Eki California Dan Cha Chulbile and Merry Christmas. Here you can see a display of Christmas cheer, and one of the main characters in the back there is Santa Claus. I think you call him Father Frost in Russia, right? And look what's next to Santa, a reindeer. And I was talking with Nicole a few years ago about the folklore of Santa and flying reindeer, and the more we talked, the more I got excited about the idea of a different Santa Claus, a Santa Claus that doesn't give gifts or material things, but sings and makes beautiful sounds and makes people very, very happy. And so I invented the legend of Ondar, the Groovin Tuvan. And you might be interested that a few of the ideas, like the shamans and the reindeer, that's real stuff. There are reindeer and mushrooms and shamans, and it all gets together and they go flying. And this book has more things in it that are real than you might imagine. When Ondar went back to be on TV, you can find that on YouTube. Ondar Letterman 1999. And what else? Oh, Santa and his sleigh are on a straight line. And that's kind of like Western civilization, straight line. But I have Ondar the Groovin Tuvan put his reindeer in a circle, because in Eastern cultures, things are more circular, up and down and up and back down. What else? Then I just got inventive. By the way, the aurora is something that Richard Feynman's sister Joan studied and knew a lot about. And her friend, Bart Choi, is the artist for this book. So Bart made these wonderful drawings. He's an architect by profession, but I'd say he's a fantastic illustrator. And here near the end, you see Ondar in a rose parade. He was 3 times in the Tournament of Roses parade in Pasadena. So there's a lot of things in this story that are true, and then a lot of things that are just for fun. So I hope you enjoy the book. Isig Bayur, California Dan. Cha. Cha Chulbile.